Hey guys, today let's check out Ollama. It's a free and open source tool that will allow you to run different large language models on your system. Just like ChatGPT, it's completely free. You don't have to sign up and the installation doesn't require any coding knowledge and it is fairly easy. And it also allows you to run different large language models. There are a lot of models available. Let's check this out. First, head over to ollama.com, then click on the download button. Select which OS you are on. I will be downloading for Windows. Let's start the download. Let's wait till the download is over. So it will be around 300 megabytes. The download is done. Let's start by installing this. Let's click on the install button and let's wait while this installs. So the installation is completed. So how do you use this? So for that, just open up your command prompt to PowerShell. Just type in Ollama. You can see that we have some commands available. So when we first try to run any model, it will just download the model from Ollama server. So that should take some time. So we will first try with a very small model. We will go with Gemma 2B. So it will first start by downloading the model. Then we will be, so Gemma 2B is just below 2 GB. So it should take some time. After it downloads, we should be able to immediately start chatting with. Let's try chatting with Gemma. Let's ask it some questions. So let's try asking, write me a Gemma 2B is pretty fast even on smaller systems. Let's try asking, write me a leave letter. Yeah, the thing is that Ollama makes it so that we can run this completely offline. So just disable my Wi-Fi. We can try asking it. Yeah, it works offline. After the initial download, we will be able to use all these downloaded models completely offline. To exit out of the current session, so we can just type in buy. So it will not close Ollama, but you will get the control flow back to the terminal. So you can, if you want to chat with the model again, simply you can type Ollama run whatever model you have downloaded. So next we will try with Llama 3. We need to download Llama 3. Let's try using a much larger model, Llama 3. So initially we would have to download that model again. For that, just type in Ollama run Llama 3. So Llama 3 should be around 5 GB. So yeah, 4.7 GB. It should take some time. After we download that, we should be able to use Llama 3. Let's wait while this downloads. Let's try chatting with Llama 3. Llama 3 is one of the most popular models out there. And as it is a larger model, it should be a little bit slow compared to Gemma, but it will give you much more concise and accurate answers. Let's try asking it, like me. You can see it's a little bit slow, but it will give you an accurate answer. Let's try asking it, like me, start program. We can ask it to write. You can see that it provides the correct JS code along with the expression for that, and this can be done completely offline. So if you want to try out different models and in case you're concerned about space and if you want to remove any of the downloaded models, you can use the Ollama rm command followed by the model name and can remove that. And if you go to the models page on Ollama.com, you should be able to see all the different models that we have available. So if you want to try out any of the models, just type in Ollama run followed by the model name and you should be able to try that out. If you have any concerns or queries, drop a comment. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day.